The last day of school, it was the final morning of school, and the sun peeked shyly through the curtains of room 203, sprinkling golden light across the wooden desks. Arav sat quietly in his seat, his notebook open but untouched. His classmates were buzzing with excitement, some taking photos, others signing diaries, a few wiping their eyes. But Arav just stared at the blackboard, unsure whether to smile or cry. He had waited for this day for so many years. Every test, every holiday, every exam countdown had led to this one final moment. But as it arrived, he realized he wasn't ready. Not at all. Mr. Fernandez, their class teacher for the last 3 years, stood at the front with his usual calm smile. "So, class," he began, "this is it, the last day. After today, you step into a new world." A hush fell over the room. Everyone knew it was true. Next year, they would be out there, college, different cities, new faces. This classroom that once held their laughter, tears, and dreams would belong to someone else. As the teacher talked, Arav's mind drifted back to his first day in the same room. He had sat in the second row, nervous and alone. He barely spoke to anyone that day, afraid he wouldn't fit in. But over the years, those fears had faded. He had made friends, learned lessons, failed tests, stood back up, and discovered what he wanted from life. Or at least, he thought he had. Later, during the farewell ceremony, students gave speeches, sang songs, and shared jokes. When Arav's turn came, he stood up nervously. "I don't really have a speech," he said, glancing at his teacher, "but I want to say something." He looked around the hall. "When I joined this school, I wanted nothing but good grades. I thought success was about marks and medals. But over time, I learned something different. I learned that success is about growing, failing, and still trying again. It's about learning how to be kind, even when life isn't. It's about believing in yourself when no one else does." His words settled softly into the quiet hall. "I want to thank every friend who laughed with me, every teacher who scolded me, and every test I failed. Because all of it made me who I am today." As he sat down, a round of applause filled the auditorium. Mr. Fernandez smiled warmly. "Arav," he said, "that's the truest definition of success I've heard in a long time." When the final bell rang, the students hesitated to leave. Some hugged tightly. Some took photos, promising to stay in touch. Arav walked slowly down the corridor one last time, touching the wall where his class photo hung. The laughter, the noise, even the silence, all of it would stay with him forever. As he stepped out of the gate, the evening breeze brushed against his face. The school building stood tall behind him, glowing softly in the sunset. He thought of all the memories, a patchwork of joy, pain, hope, and dreams. And then he smiled. He realized that endings weren't really endings. They were beginnings disguised in simpler clothes. That night, Arav wrote in his journal. Today was the last day of school. I'm scared of what's next, but I'm more excited than ever. Because if I could grow here, I can grow anywhere. Years later, when Arav would return as a successful engineer, he would still remember that day, the one that didn't just end his school life but began the rest of his story.